What's up, guys? This is Storm Super Madness, and today we're cutting the grass with this green camouflage lawnmower. Just kidding. It's this Yardworks lawnmower with this Kohler engine. I have not tested it out yet, but I'm pretty sure it'll run. So, without further ado, let's see if it'll start. I hope it will. Fingers crossed. So, it's an XT675EX. This has got an auto choke, so pretty sure I'll start in the first pull. With the mulch, it actually comes with a side chute. Like, it starts on one pole. Like, sometimes it starts without this, but it's better to hold this down. Like, the problem is that this here has a bit of trouble and it's a bit rusty, so it doesn't catch the flywheel like this.